Poem or Grandpa, from the book Ocean of Care, Duet Poem from Avadhooth, Guruprasad and Jen Walls. With only our simple, most caring eyes, we forever admire. Looking up to him, we would curiously try and watch our grandpa. He'd be relaxing and staring into the backyard. We would try to see everything that he did, while he went about living sweet and quiet days. Our loving grandpa is a kindly king. He would always be enjoying every bird's song. Whenever anyone comes to visit or would enter, stepping softly into his neat little bedroom, he would welcome them with a deep, loving smile, as if knowingly you from many years back too. We would often try to find some way to really reach and be in touch with him. Feeling his kindness in withered hands, we would want to stroke his full heads of grace. Grandpa would meet our connecting presence, receiving and giving through heart and hands. Maybe no one understood him or even knew exactly what he was thinking about too. Only he could know what had made his loving dark hair grow so white. At night, we would come and listen again, just to hear our grandpa's holy laughter. We would arrive there, sitting closer together, while he sat quietly inside his beautiful room. Even while he watched his favorite TV program, he would be wearing his most graceful attitude, sharing insightful energy with deep, loving smile. Whether music or drama, he'll be soaking it all in. His style was so natural and ever unique. Dressed in round-necked white t-shirt, he often sits in his wheelchair by his cold curtain windows. He'd be watching each love moment of nature, flowing in his room morning, noon and night. His inner light always easy to deeply feel inside. Grandpa touches heart deeper connection. His gentle love remains here with us even today. We honor pure loving perception in every way, living sweetly inside the simple wisdom of life. Just by knowing him, we have come to feel divine happiness that's real and ever near.